Across Asia, more than $50 billion are stolen every year from migrant workers in the worst form of exploitation. The types of exploitation faced by migrant domestic workers include being charged false, exorbitantly high agency fees, having their salaries retained by their employers for no reason, and being let go without notice or pay, amongst other grievances such as verbal, physical, or sexual abuse. Sadly, workers' own mobility often works against them seeking justice, because returning home effectively means they are abandoning any chance of getting legal redress. We need to improve cross-border access to justice. Justice Without Borders bridges this gap by creating lifelines for legal aid for those who cannot stay in the host country to get legal justice. We help workers seek just compensation from their abusers even after they return home. How do we do that? In 2014, Yuli, not her real name, left Indonesia and went to work in Hong Kong. As it was her first time working abroad, she had no friends or family in Hong Kong and could only trust her agency. However, the agency tricked her into believing she needed to pay 18,000 Hong Kong dollars to work in Hong Kong, although the law at the time mandated a maximum charge of only 410 Hong Kong dollars. The employment agency and loan company further extorted another 13,000 Hong Kong dollars from Yuli, falsely claiming that she needed to pay this amount in order to secure her employment in Hong Kong. Every month, almost 3/4 of her salary was deducted by the loan company. Only after returning to Indonesia did Yuli learn that she'd been scammed. She sought help from JWB's partner Frontline organization, who referred the case to JWB Hong Kong. JWB brought in a team of lawyers in Hong Kong to advise and represent Yuli and her case in Hong Kong, allowing her to pursue rightful compensation while she remained in remote communication. After successfully obtaining a default judgment at the Small Claims Tribunal, the employment agency and the loan company were ordered to pay back the entire sum of illegal fees of over 31,000 Hong Kong dollars, the equivalent of more than 7 months of Yuli's salary in Hong Kong. Cross-border litigation is the cornerstone of JWB's operations and is the result of creative synergies and tireless collaboration between frontline organizations, our pro bono legal partners, and other key stakeholders. At JWB, we believe in tapping in on the expertise of industry experts through building effective partnerships. It is through intensive inter-organizational collaboration that JWB works towards achieving its mission.